Today, sir, our topic is about immediate family. The immediate family is the group of people who are closest to us, usually our parents, brother, and sister. They are the people we live with and who share our daily lives. Our immediate family plays a big role in shaping who we are from childhood. They teach us important lessons such as love, respect, honesty, and responsibility. Parents guide us and provide for our needs, while siblings become our first friends and companion in life. The immediate family is also our first source of emotional support. When we face problem or challenge, it is our family who gives us comfort, advice, and encouragement. They celebrate our achievement and help us learn from our mistake. Through their care and understanding, we develop confidence and a sense of belonging. Having a strong and loving immediate family is one of life's greatest blessings. No matter where we go or what we do, our family remains our home, the people who will always stand by us through joy and hardship. Truly, the immediate family is the foundation of every person's life, love, and success.